Hello fans, Saturn. Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system. It's a long way from the Sun, almost 10 times farther from the Sun than what we are. It's gaseous and known as a gaseous giant. It has no real surface. You cannot measure the diameter because there's no hard surface. The most fascinating thing about Saturn is this ring system, the rings of Saturn. Galileo saw the rings of Saturn. You need a telescope with a magnification of 25 to be able to distinguish the rings from Saturn. It's not difficult. You can make a telescope yourself with a magnification of 200. You can see this. Why does it have a ring system? This is a very interesting question. Why does it have a system of these rings? What are these rings? They're made from mainly particles of ice, maybe some lumps of rock, but mainly ice and other leftover material from when our solar system was formed. Why is it round the centre like this? Everything has angular momentum. Everything has angular momentum. Spinning round. It concentrates it. Our whole solar system revolves around a plane. I can show you that sometime. It revolves around a flat plane because of angular momentum. And now, Saturn is only the second largest planet in our solar system. I was thinking earlier, why does Jupiter not have a ring system? Jupiter has more gravity than Saturn, so why does Jupiter not have a ring system? And I came reading that it is the moons of Jupiter. Jupiter has bigger moons, except one moon of Saturn is very big, called Titan. The other moons are smaller. So it's thought that the moons of Jupiter broke up any possible formation of a ring system. You know, this is very, very big. 10 times the size of the Earth. Jupiter is 11 times. So the ring system is enormous. It's assumed that the moons of Jupiter are too heavy. They broke up. Sorry. We're back. Broke up the formation of a ring system. Saturn is named for the god of gods. And it's so important. It was named by the Romans. It's the last planet you can see with your eye. The two outer planets you cannot see with your eye. It was so important to Romans. I'm starting to wonder, did the Romans think to name the planets after gods? Or were the planets the gods? This particular planet, Saturn, had a festival, Saturnalia, where Roman society was turned upside down. The slaves became the bosses and the bosses became the slaves. For one day, they celebrated turning society upside down. Saturn is interesting in many respects that this ring system, every now and again, it lines up with the Earth and we can hardly see it. We can see them. By the way, this picture is absolutely wonderful. It is a real picture taken by the Cassini-Huygens satellite, and you can see here the shadow from the Sun. The Sun is over there, the Sun is shining there, and that is the shadow of Saturn made by the Sun on its ring system. This is a real picture. Sometimes you see more spectacular coloured pictures. This is real. So, I hope you enjoyed my little discussion of Saturn, and thank you.